What is up? YouTube. This is a trade I took today. Our time frame. We're bullish. Rejecting out of 30-minute gaps. Rejecting out of hour. Broken in versus 5-minute gap. What did I do? I entered after the inverse stops at this body. What did my dumbass do? I took partials at this 5-minute high because I thought we were gonna hit. And then, what did we do? We got stopped at break even. Just should have taken full take profit there. Because that aligned with the 15-minute gap. We were still in bearish for a little bit. You need a little sweep, maybe. Or maybe it was fine to take partials. And I just got unlucky. However, it was a pretty high up there. So it was more unattainable. I mean, we did end up hitting it. Just unfortunate. Wish we continued. Would have been a banger day. But yeah, I made like 200 today. Now I'm only down 589. On the week, negative. This didn't trade this week. Didn't barely trade it this week. Like it hasn't been warm cramp. Like I took 5 trades this month so far. Gotta lock in, but we'll get to back testing now. Get to back testing now. Hey little mama with that tight dress on, got a small proposition for you.
Your career just isn't fair. I'm a venereal disease, like a menstrual. Lead through the pencil and leak on the sheet of the tablet in my mind. Cause I don't write shit, cause I ain't got down for my second minute. I was going to the almighty dollar and the almighty power of that church. Sister, brother, son, daughter, father, motherfucker, copper.
Let's turn it down a little bit. What do we see for our gap fill? Rejection out of that as well. Really have that fill here. On Asian session, London session, London session high. Oh, yeah. Let's just see where market opens. Hopefully it opens lower and then we see a reversal higher. Ideal. Okay, beautiful. Couldn't have asked for a better opening. Go on these and these. Go on these. Yo. Okay, that's that one. Okay, we took them on both. Don't bullish S&T. But higher time frames bullish. Gotta stick with that theory. We are sweeping out these little highs. Let's see what the next candle does. Bullish right now. Okay, more of a pullback on that. We just came up with a potential sweep. I mean, probably just gonna take the highs full. Okay, we didn't. Like, this is not a great sweep. And we're filling this 5-minute gap. Let's check news. Monday, February 12th. Okay, no news. I'm gonna pay attention to that 1-minute gap. Huge rejection wick. We inversed it. So, reason I'm not gonna enter on this is because this candle closed really strong bearish with no like rejection wick out of that 5 minute gap. So it leaves me less confident. Okay. Making a potential bullish SMT. Oh, okay, that's a good rejection wick. If a million. So we get a closure above the highs now. Okay, no closure still. Pretty bearish on NAS. Okay, we inverse the gap on NAS and then printing higher. That stops at the body. Maybe. I guess I want the swing high. But I'm gonna go break even at these like triple relative equal highs. Oh my. Yo. This is so obvious that we're going higher to right to these because this is not a sweep. And I feel like we're going higher right now. Yo, what's going on? Like I could take this, but like there's that 1 minute gap there which worries me. I'm gonna take this and go break even as soon as we take those highs. Little unfortunate we might get stopped, but hey. Ah! Because this is again not a sweep, bro. Just price some more equal highs. Okay, why didn't I go break even there? We're in this 1 minute. Bro, I really still think we're going higher. I mean, even on NAS, bro, this looks good for a re-entry. I'm gonna take this. Made a bullish SMT off this 5 minute low and then immediately broke to the upside, still within that 5 minute gap. Probably, yeah, we are in a 15 minute gap, it looks like. Bullish displacement. Enter, target these, equal, or 0.96. Might as well put stops to the body. And I'm gonna set a partial as well. Full TP here. Man. Wow. Wow. And the big thing there was I should have entered on that. Could have put stops here. Well, that's unfortunate, but I knew where the market was gonna go, and I'm pretty unfortunate losses. I knew where the market wanted to go, just stayed inside the gaps for too long, entered the lagging on the second trade. They're good trades though. Just would have been really unfortunate. Kind of wiped away a little bit of last week's profits, man. A little bit's an understatement, actually. Okay, let's go on the 930. We're really bearish on this. Well, it's only Monday, so hopefully we can end this week in profit. CPI. Higher time frame wise, we don't have great draws. Just throwing this 4 hour low. I think we're gonna dump through these, so it won't even matter regardless. Yeah. Okay. Like, we're so extended bearish. Relative equal hourly lows to the downside. Wow, we're more bearish on NAS. I mean, I'm just gonna trade with this trend again. pumping up, taking this 5-minute high. Let's wait a little bit here. Broke 1-minute structure. Didn't leave a gap. We're still within this 1-minute gap, which is a bit of a sign that we're going to continue higher. Okay. Bearish SMT off this 5-minute high. Potentially. If we close below that low, because we broke structure to the upside, I believe. No. We didn't. I just still want to wait for a closure below that low. Kind of chopping me. Not a good place to enter. We're still so bearish. I low-key just want to wait for price to break 5-minute structure now. Okay, this is pretty bullish. It's 10:15 now. I mean, we're way more bearish on ES now. Still don't want to trade on ES though. We're just gonna price in a bullish retrace. Wasn't really open up short or longing against that trend, so no trades. Tracing the 4-hour gap in the higher time frame. So now these. I'm more bearish on this. But higher, sweat those out, beautiful. I'll start a reversal, break structure, and I'll trade lower. Okay. Only problem with this is if we want to go higher, we're going to. This is actually lemon lows. The only problem is if we want to go higher and this isn't just a 4-hour retrace in that gap, then we'll start going up now. So I gotta pay attention to how price reacts here. Okay, so huge bullish recovery and a potential bullish SMT that low. So hopefully we priced in a gap. We did. Okay, now we're gonna see if price wants to inverse this. On Q, it looks okay. We held it. And then we broke, but I want a continuation trend out of this, because if I short right here, yo, if I short right here, this could just be conviction to go long. This could just be price in a high, retrace, and continue higher. So let's wait for a 1-minute gap. Okay, we got that. We closed below this low. Okay, see, we broke to the upside there. So nothing's really looking good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I could long it here, but we're still within this 1 minute. It's confusing, and there's no, yo, what is that? Is that data highs? Yo, we're so close to data highs here. I mean, longing this bitch here is pretty risky. Like, imagine the space. But it's still in between longs and shorts, so I can't take that, bro. But expecting that 1-minute gap. The closure above. This is looking pretty primed for longs, man. I mean, we keep getting continuations, and then that just inversed. gonna take this long. It's absolute that break. Partials at this 1 minute swing high, I guess. No, it's a 5 minute swing high. Then those market open highs. This is like higher risk, but I'm still open to taking it. Yo! Market's telling me not to take it right now. Break even. Continue. Yo, continue. Banger! Could I have targeted data highs? Oh, I would have gotten break even. That was a banger, boys. Stay patient. Oh my gosh, my forearm keeps cramping. Banger trade. Like how I stayed patient when I saw a bullish S&T and 1 hour FG fill in the opposite direction. Yes, the 4 hour filling that, but the lower time frames were aligning better than just that 1 4 hour fill. Priced in a high retrace after the S&T, and I traded up to 5 minutes highs on lagging because it presented me with better entry. Hey, almost made money back from that other one. Okay, got a little bit. If you are what you say you are, a superstar. You I just spit everywhere. That's PPI for sure. PPI swept out those highs. Oh, that's not PPI, but our time frame bullish trend. Let's see where market wants to open. Okay, we opened higher after filling an hourly gap, I'm sure. Super bullish trend. Actually, mark this shit out. Motion. 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 Motion twin. What's this? Motion Asia lows. Motion Asia lows. Let's take a look at the 4 hours bullish. 1 hour's bullish here. 1 hour's leaning bearish here. 4 hours also kind of leaning bearish. I'm just gonna wait for the indexes to align here because we broke 5 minute structure upside here, broke 5 minute or stayed in 5 minute bearish structure here. We immediately take Asia lows. Okay, indexes are opposite. It's not looking good for a trade, man. Okay, equal lows with Asia. Okay, no way we're gonna do this right now. Because one makes equal lows. Prices in a 5 minute fill and then reverses. Like you cannot take a long or short here. Unless we immediately take Asia lows and then see a reversal out of that. That would be prime longs because it aligns with the higher time frame trend. Okay, that's okay. Okay. This couldn't go better, bro. Higher time frame trend's still extremely bullish. And then I think this is just a pullback unless actually we still think it's a pullback, but we did take this high, and then we left no other draws to the downside. We're within this hourly gap. If we get a 1 minute reversal here, I'm gonna enter. Price in a high. Okay. I need to see the indexes to align on the 1 minute as well, though. Like this looks like a good long right here, but I need to see the indexes align. So we're probably gonna get a fill here, targeting here. This is unfortunate, man. Indexes aren't aligning. See if we get an inverse. That'd also be a 1 minute SMT. No inverse there. Okay. Got the inverse. I'm gonna set stops below this SMT low. Just in case. Just for I feel like that data high is pretty strong draw. Could get a way better RR if I put him here, but extra breathing room. Just because we are still in pretty decent bearish order flow on the DAC. Yeah, this looks like a good long. Because the higher time frames align. And then we align on the 1 minutes. Dang. Didn't need that fucking extra breathing room. But I just thought it was more of a higher risk setup. But it was still good. It was still good. That was okay. Still proud of that trade. Higher time frames were aligned. Bullish even after DAC printed much slower. Trade was on the S&P. It created on the higher time frame. Additionally, price gave us 1 minute S&T on top of that 1 minute time frames aligned and the inverse gap on NQ. Okie dokie. Let's see. Hang on. This was down 1.5k and now I'm up 2.2k. So I'm up 700. Let's see how Friday goes. I kind of just want to be hands off today because I low-key made it pretty much back. And I'm happy. And this is low-key, depending on how this day goes, boys, I might just do this 1 week because I don't need to destroy my mental energy when I'm having a good sesh. Okay, what is this? Monday's high? That seems like a strong draw. That is a strong draw. We're in this 4-hour gap. No 4-hour gap there. We're sweeping out Asia lows. Or is this Asia lows? Oh, this is Asia lows. Let me just throw that on so I get a better understanding of where price is. Okay. Asia. We'll throw on this is London. I'm looking for longs. Definitely. Okay. Let's see if we get a reversal here on the 5 minute. Okay. We dumped. We took out this 5 minute low. The next 5 minute candle printed bearish, which means a sweep wasn't necessarily valid. I guess we have this low to continue down to, but I'm really not a fan of that. And we did make a 5 minute SMT. We never broke 5 minute structure to the upside, but I mean, it's looking pretty bearish. Just gotta go off what price is telling me here, I guess. 30 minute low. I don't like shorts here for some reason, but is looking bearish. And we broke inverse, yeah. It's gonna be a bearish day, if anything. Wait, did I miss an entry? Nah. Are we gonna take the low? Not really. Okay, we are dumping. Damn, we really dumped. Actually, I told where price was gonna go though. If you are what you say you are. What is this low? Okay, we took that low on both. This higher time frame still looks very bullish. Gosh, I'm really not a fan of longs, no matter what. It's getting later. Let's see how we go on this 1 minute gap. Close well below those lows. Rejected very strongly off that gap. Let's see if we break and inverse that 1 minute. Ah, we broke. That's not strong. We're losing volatility. It's 1027. We made a 1 minute bullish SMT, but this is more trading a retrace, so I don't do that shit. Let's see if this would have banged. 1 to 3, boys. Wyanna, Wyanna. Oh my god, why did I do that? You boys that I'm rich and famous are gonna be watching back these videos and see how much of a dumbass. If you are what you say you are, a superstar. I'm low-key gonna end that shit there, boys. This was a pretty decent week. Could have taken that last trade. Well, if I took this shit, I would be up like a shit ton, but I didn't. That was Friday. This will be a higher risk trade anyway. But this is my week. Lost two there. Knew where market was gonna go. It banged higher, just manipulated me. And then I won 1.18k on Wednesday, 1.02k on Thursday. I didn't trade Tuesday or Friday. Keeping the winning week streak going now. Alright. That's gonna end it for me, boys. I'll catch you in the next one.